I tell everybody, you can make money off the beach, you can make money off the wood, you can make money off the animal you're eating, whether it's a seal or seal whiskers, seal nails, claws or feathers. I collect spruce bark from the beach. I even use sand from the beach. I use seashells to create a mixed media that is the best I can do in expressing our culture. My name is John Oscar. I've been in Bethel area for many, many years. I was born in Bethel. I was raised in Tununic. My given name was Atsaq. I had to dance on top of a bearded sealskin, traditional way. That was back in the 60s. I first started doing illustrations when I was 11, 12 years old for my mother on her grass baskets. All my work is a mixture, contemporary format using traditional style with the Yupik culture. Initially, I started doing black and white work, pen and ink drawings. And then from there, I went into color, from color to carvings, from carvings to 3D artwork, from that into masks that can actually watch you in the angle on a wall painting. My inspiration evolves from my traditional ancestors that had made those designs, those masks. But I turned it around and made it more free, because those masks that they have rings around them, and all those animals are stuck just the way they are. But they are representations of all the hunting and gathering that they did, the environment, the relationship to the environment, the respect to the environment. And my work is centered around that. I am releasing those animals into the painting, out of the painting, away from the mask, into where you can actually see these animals floating around in an organized format. That's what I try to do with my work. I am freeing the animals from the masks. I was lucky to see a glimpse, a small speck of the traditional lifestyle. I watched the elders carve up the wood into fish traps and harpoons, those kind of things. I watched them before. When I got my inspiration was like from dreams and visions, things like that. I've gone through that. I even had a visitor from the Raven himself visited me in spirit form. So that's why a lot of my work has Raven in them. My greatest knowledge at this point is to share what I have with the younger generation. I was able to work with Christian Espinoza from Good News Bay. He's a social worker down there that was working on ways to combat suicide and suicide prevention. This is one of their programs, was to involve me with the kids. And what I went down there for is to try and emphasize to the kids, because they're right in the beachfront and they have wood, there's spruce wood, there's what I use all the time, there's sand, there's seashells down there. The kids can use their imagination to create new things, to keep themselves busy. I try to emphasize to the people, you don't have to be an artist. You can be good with your hands, and if you have an imagination, do it, try it. If you don't do it, it's not going to happen. People need to start working with their hands, with their imagination, away from the phone, away from television, away from all the social interaction on the electronics. Physical interaction, like this personal interaction, like the dances, the gatherings, those kind of things are important.